Hey guys and gals, I just hit a floppy disk and I didn't get any weapon mods, but I did get this fancy dancy pattern leopard for my chopper, so I'm gonna paint it and see what it looks like. This is why I save all my paint. So, and I'll also unbox the puppy and put all my stuff away. So here we go. I need black paint, yellow paint, red paint. Let's put some of this stuff away. Unbox the puppy. Please be a boy. I need a lot more boys than girls. And you are Baxter. Yay. Very happy with that. I forgot what color paint I needed. Put you away. I got enough spots now. I need black, yellow, red. Here we go. Black, yellow, red. Black, yellow, red. Black, yellow. That's not yellow. That's yellow. And red. I've been waiting for a pattern that caught my eye. Everything else is kind of ordinary, but I haven't seen this one, I don't think. So, let's do it. How do I do it? Like that. Where'd it go? Where'd my pattern go? Oh, it did it! Nice! Look at that beauty! That's a beautiful chopper. Oh, how pretty. Well, guys and gals, that is the leopard print. I hope you enjoyed seeing it, and hope you find your own soon. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thank